Here is an example of inverse variation. So we have is the amount of time, so we're going to let that variable be t, necessary to make a trip varies inversely, so very important it's an inverse, you understand that, as the rate of travel, how quickly you travel, so I'm going to let that be r. So we're going to set up an equation, step 1. If you remember back to previously in our slides, that inverse variation equation is y equals k over x. So our variables are a little bit different. We have t and r. So I'm going to say t equals k over r. Now we're going to identify our values. At 40 miles per hour, so that's our rate. That's going right into here. It takes Valerie 5 hours. That's our time. So that's popping right in here. What we're going to do is we're going to solve this equation for k. So I'm going to write the equation 5 equals k over 40. And we're going to solve this equation for k. So how do you solve an equation for k? Well, we have to get rid of that 40 in the denominator. So we're going to multiply both sides by 40. So 5 times 40 equals k. Plug it into our calculator and we get 200. Now this is our constant of variation. Now let's rewrite it. Here it was our equation without the k value. Now we know it. So we're going to throw that 200 in. So we say t equals 200 over r. Last, we can go out and ask a bunch of questions about this equation and solve for time or solve for rate. So here is step 3. How long is our unknown, so that's our time, is unknown, will it take for her to travel 50 miles per hour? That's our r. So we're going to substitute the 50 in for r to find t. So I'm just going to rewrite that equation again one more time. So what we found in the previous step. And we're going to substitute 50 in. So we take our 200, divide it by 50, and we get 4. And what that 4 represents is it takes her 4 hours at 50 miles per hour. We are now done with this video.